Hello and half a day everyone, we are back with another vlog. Today we will be rocking out at Nissan Guam. We will be looking for a brand new car, either with a pickup truck or an SUV. We will decide from there. All thanks to Jeff over here, shout out to you by the way, thank you sir for the top-notch service. At this moment here I already knew I wanted this SUV because we already had a truck. And also for my hobbies and an extending family, I would need all that space. Man, it felt like a kid in a candy store. This is what it must have felt like. I followed them out the door because they said they have a perfect car for me right over here. That's it. It's the all-new 2023 Nissan Rogue Sports. It comes with a 1.3 liter turbocharged and 3-cylinder with 158 horsepower. Amazing how an SUV with a 3-cylinder can do. And so I went ahead and test drive the car. Jeff on the back is saying, go ahead, test drive the car and go anywhere you want to go, but if you crash it, you buy it, he said to me. So I went ahead and put on my serious face and concentrated on the road. This is not bad for a 3-cylinder SUV if you ask me, especially with the high rising gas prices nowadays. I went ahead and checked with my passenger. The old man says, yes, I like this car, we're getting it. Me and Jeff had that handshakey shake, and then I'm taking the car home. All thanks to you, Jeff. It's a done deal. So I'm happy, Nissan's happy, everybody's happy. I'm gonna go ahead and take this car back home. It's a push to start, so it's something that I'm gonna have to adjust on. And that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Right on the following day, we went ahead and purchased a new kayak for adventures, for fishing mostly, but I will be vlogging from there, so stay tuned. And then we will be unboxing from here with the little ones, and here we go. Okay, Ryan, what you got in there? Four?
Fish or drinks.
Put your drink in there, yeah. Drinks go in there. And then how about that one, Ryan?
Yeah, same thing too.
Same thing? Oh, awesome!
You can use this for fish or drinks.
That's awesome. Maybe Max can go in there.
What?
No, I mean, can go on the kayak.
Oh.
Not in there.
It's pretty cool.
Oh, Kirby wants to go in there too.
I have another blanket.
Oh, cool. You can use it as a hat too. A hat.
A red hat.
A red hat. Hey, look at that red riding hood or a troll. Red troll. Awesome. Okay. Yeah, hold this like this. You gonna show me how to use it? See how you pedal? Ah, cool. Okay. Yeah, just around. Here, show me how you pedal. Show the camera how you pedal. See, you guys are like double team. Fish. Wait a minute. Ryle, this has to go on the new one. Oh, shit. Get up a little bit more. There we go.
No,
And you sit back on.
this thing.
There we
It's
go.
perfect for this for young.
Yeah, look, Rayann's comfortable already. Awesome.
Max is not having his day.